Why does a football just sit there until someone kicks it? That's Newton's first law, the law of inertia. An object at rest stays at rest when all forces are balanced. The resultant force is zero. We call this equilibrium. A moving object keeps moving at constant velocity in a straight line, unless an unbalanced force acts on it. Ever jerked forward when a minibus brakes? Your body resists the change in motion. That resistance is inertia. Common mistake. Students think objects need a force to keep moving. No, they only need a force to change their motion. Remember, no force, no change. If resultant force is zero, the object stays exactly as it is, at rest or moving steady. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.